So hi again, I am Jessamine C7N, and today I will discuss a uh, how to block in the firewall in any Windows applications. So for the first step, let me delete this one since it's not. So first, just search Windows Defender Firewall. Just click that, and then click Advanced Settings. Click Outbound Rules, and then click New Rule, and then you choose Program. Next. So for the this program path, I will this is just for example. I will make program, then browse. I will click 0409. This is just an example. And then open. Oh, wait. Okay, I'll just for example, ALG open. So next, click next, then block the connection. Next, and then domain private public. This should be checked, and then just click next. Then for the name, just click program. And then just click this finish. So after you click this finish, your Windows will be black from your window. So that's all. Thank you.